So when working in the Link Lab, you're going to be starting off with a rectangle shape for the right side view. And just as a reminder, this is what it looks like right here. And the next thing that you're going to do is to draw out the length that you know the bottom of the extruding section is. So this length right here. And the way that we know what length that is by looking at our top view. And we figure out that 0.375 plus 0.875 equals, do some math in my head, 0.9 plus 3.3.5, so 1.25, I believe. Yeah. So we'll do 1.25. And I'll start at this corner, and I'll come out 1.25. And then I know that I have a specific angle. And so if I want to do that angle, what I'm going to do is actually turn back on my dynamic input, or I can type the distance and angle that I want. And so I know that the distance of that angled line is 8.814. So I'm going to type at 0.814 angle, and 72.12, and we'll see if that works. Okay, so it gave me my size. Then I need to come in by the distance that the basic part of the drawing is, and I can look back on my example and see that, okay, this edge right here represents this line right here because it's a solid edge that I can see in. So that means that this section is this middle segment, and then this section is this little segment here. So I just need to know what this middle segment is, which is 0.875 minus 0.25. So we've got 0.85. So I go in by 0.85, and I end up right here, which looks like I might have gone in a little too far. Let's see, what was the math on that? It's 0.875 minus 0.25. Oh, I went in one digit too far, so 0.675. Okay, so I can hit undo. Yeah, that's right. Or did I say 675? Boy, I can't talk today. So 0.625. I'm just dragging to the side. Okay, and now that I've done that, I should be able to just connect it to this point and get the correct angle that I need. So then I hit enter, I zoom back out, and I do a couple of dimensions to make sure that everything came out the way it should. So I'm going to do an angular dimension between this line and this line, and I get 101 because my precision is set really low. So I want to go back into my dimension styles and change the precision really quick. So I'm going to go to override and grammar units, precision, So then we're going to do the other angle that we know, which is the 72.12. And for some reason it's, oh, I know what I did. I changed the style for lines, but I did not change the style for angles. So I need to set the precision there. it's going to make it so that I have more zeros, so it's not rounding it up to 101. So then if I update these two dimensions, you'll see that I get the actual distance, which is 100. And so actually it should be two decimals of precision instead of 3, because I should only be getting 2 numbers after the decimal. So if you're seeing more numbers or less numbers than you should, you need to check your dimension style. That's basically what I'm saying. Okay, so we've got our side view drawn. So let's look at the